Make sure the gun is unloaded before any disassembly. Disassembly of a 22LR Mosquito. It's pretty simple. You just, well, first take the clip out, magazine. And then turn this lever to the left, clockwise. Then retract the slide all the way back. And lift this up. There you go. It's so simple. It just comes loose. And you could see all that guck over here. You could see all that guck. I don't really like to clean my guns too often. But some of the ammunition is really dirty, like this Thunderbolt. But it's pretty effective in cycling this gun, the slide. And putting back together is pretty simple as well. It's you put this little pin over here, and it's well. I put it over here. Make sure it goes. The spring goes into that part. There you go. And then this thing goes back. It's pretty tough. And there you go. It's all assembled now. Don't ever dry fire pistols like that, as it could damage your firearm.